Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring two entry-level options from Apple's lineup, the brand new Apple Watch SE3 and its predecessor the SE2. So if you're wondering whether the new models brings enough value to upgrades or if sticking with the SE2 still makes sense, you are in the right place. For easy access, I have dropped the links in the descriptions. So let's dive in. Price and value. Starting with the price, Apple has not changed a thing. The SE3 still begins at $249, just like the SE2. That means you are getting all these new upgrades for the same cost. If you're pricing conscious but still want the latest features, that's already a win. Then we have design and durability. At first glance, they look similar, a clean aluminum body and a classic Apple Watch shape. But SE3 brings meaningful improvements. It's tougher with Ion X glass that's 4 times more resistant to cracks. So those everyday bangs and scraps becomes less of worry. It also introduced the always on display, so now you can check time or notification without lifting your wrist or tapping on the screen. A subtle but welcome change. Performance and connectivity. The SE3 runs on the newer S10 chip, the same powerhouse behind the Series 11 and the Ultra 3. That means smoother performance and faster responsive. It also adds 5G cellular capability, offering quicker downloads and better streaming without draining your battery too much. In short, the watch feels snappier and more connected. So battery and charging. Battery life remains solid at about 18 hours, just like the SE2, but charging gets a major boost. Now you get fast charging, or just 15 minutes on the charger gives you around 8 hours of use, and about 45 minutes charge up to 80%. That makes overnight charging for sleep tracking much more convenient. Health and wellness upgrade. This is where the SE becomes more than just a refresh. It now offers a full suite of a new health tool, Sleep Score, for understanding sleep quality, sleep apnea notification for potential rest issues, wrist temperature sensing for deeper insights, and even restorative evaluation estimates for cycle tracking. It still has the core health features like heart rate monitoring, but now adds a layer of advanced data that was not there before. So extras that matter. Beyond health, the SE2 includes gestures like double tap and a wrist flick for easier control when your handles are full. You can play music or podcast right through its built-in speaker. Plus, it sports modern watchOS 26 perks, from liquid glass design and a smart stack hints to on-one device Siri and a motivational workouts buddy. So what are the final thoughts? So is the Apple Watch SE3 worth it? If you already have the SE2 and just want the basic, you are not missing out in the major wave. But if you value durability, better performance, faster charging, and richer health metrics, the SE3 delivers all that for the same price. For anyone diving into their first Apple Watch or looking for a features-packed budget option, the SE3 is a standout choice.